Alright guys, I just made a video about how to start your Volkswagen Audi products when your key fob is completely dead. Right now we'll go ahead and do a video on how to replace the batteries on these key fobs. They're all pretty similar. This one is off an 2017 GTI, so any Golf products, or I guess any Volkswagen Volkswagen and Audi products will have similar key fob in this generation, but I'm sure it would work pretty much in most generations. So first thing you want to do is make sure you got the right battery, and these Volkswagen key fobs do use a CR 2025. You can use any brand. I think when I first got this car brand new off the factory, they had a generic Chinese brand in it. Eventually that lasted 3 years, so I went ahead and replaced it at the dealership, and they replaced it with a Sony brand, and that lasted another 3 years, or about 3 years. And but it's going out, or it's out, so we'll go ahead and replace it with this one because I'm at the battery store right now, and they said it's not really any different from the Sony or other brands that are out there. It's just a cheaper option. It should last me just as long. I went ahead and grabbed two because most likely the other key fob's also gonna go out soon. So we'll go ahead and replace the battery on this key fob. So I laid my phone down because I am just working by myself here, and I'll go ahead and show you how to do that. See, that's not really a good view. Sorry about that. So we'll go ahead and do a different view. Put this down. That'll be the best bet. Do this. So that didn't work out, so I had to cut that one out, and we'll do this again. So here you go. So here's the battery, here's the key fob. First thing you want to do is pop that thing open. Go ahead and look at where the gaps are. This one's right here. So what you want to do is find yourself another set of keys or something you can pry this little panel open. So I'll go ahead and do that. I'm using this key. What you have to do is go right in here and pop that thing open on both sides. There you go. As you can see, I got that popped open, and I do have a Sony battery in there. So all I have to do is remove this battery, pop the new one back in. So I'll go ahead and do that, and we'll cut to me getting the new battery in. There you go. As you can see, I got the new battery in there. It's just right. Before I even do anything, I want to make sure I can use it. Oh, what's happening? Oh, there you go. It's lighting up. So pop that thing open. Pop the cap back on. There you go. Car's been running, but I'll go ahead and shut it off. The door, close it. Okay, key fob things would close, lock, unlock, works. Windows, start, recognizes it right away. Brake, and starts right up. Alright guys, so that's pretty much how you change the battery on these key fobs. Quick and simple, should take you a minute or two. Alright, bye.